Hello, this is Pranavan, and today we will be looking into Gotham, the complete series. So let's have a look into this right now. Okay, there you have it. Gotham, the complete series. Okay. Okay, Season 1. Okay, so it comes in 4 discs, and it's got the image of Gotham in the background on a sky blue colored disc. Okay. Season 1. Season 2. Okay. Similar to the first season. Same color, same kind of background. I think it looks a little bit different. Yeah, as you can see, it was just normal weather. But when you look at this one, it's got a bit of snow to it. So it's a snowy Gotham. That's what we got for Season 2. 4 discs as well. Okay. Season 3. It's a little bit different here. It's got 4 discs as well. It's got a different background this time around, but still keeping the same color as the previous 2 seasons. Again, it's 4 discs. Okay. Season 4. Okay. Now it's just a plain light blue or sky blue colored disc. With no background image, just a color. And it's also got 4 discs as well. And Now we've got season 5, the final season as well. Okay, so this has got 2 discs inside. Similar to season 4, light blue, sky blue colored disc. And all of the discs have Gotham written in white writing. But as I just mentioned previously, this season has only 2 discs. Okay. There you have it. This is Gotham, the complete series. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the future. Bye. There was one small thing that I forgot to show you in the video, as I had forgot to take out that piece of paper that was stuck inside the sleeve. This is what you'll get from the DC universe. So yeah, that's just the one small thing that I forgot to show you in that video, but now that I've shown it right now. So this is it. This is Gotham, the complete series. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the future. Bye.